All right, today we are talking about a huge move in the world of artificial intelligence. Seriously, Google has just placed a massive bet on India's tech future, and we're going to get right into what this all means for the global AI race. $15 billion. Just let that number sink in for a second. This isn't just a casual investment, it's a huge strategic move. We're talking about one of the biggest tech companies in the world planting a massive flag, and they're planting it right in India.
So this is really the big question we're going to unpack today, right? This is about so much more than just a new building. It's about a nation's ambition to become a world leader in AI and how this giant investment plugs directly into that vision. Okay, let's dive in.
First things first, what was actually announced? Well, Google is building something they're calling a gigawatt-scale AI hub. Sounds impressive, but what does that even mean? Think of it like this. It's an absolute powerhouse. It's a massive new facility, set to be built in Visakhapatnam, and it's specifically designed to handle the insane amount of power needed for advanced AI. This isn't just another office building. It's the engine room for future innovation. And yeah, it's all being paid for by that $15 billion investment, which will be rolled out over the next 5 years. Now, to really get the scale of this, you have to look at it globally. Sure, Google has plenty of AI centers in the US, but this new hub in India, it's going to be its single largest AI facility anywhere outside of America. That one fact right there tells you pretty much everything you need to know. This is a huge deal. So we get it, the investment is huge. But here's the thing, this isn't just Google deciding to do something on its own. This move fits perfectly, almost like a puzzle piece, into India's much larger national strategy. And look, you don't have to take my word for it. This is a direct quote from India's Electronics and IT Minister, Ashwini Vaishnav. He says it right there. This hub is going to help them meet the goals of the India AI mission. That's the government's official game plan for making India a global powerhouse in AI. This quote really gets to the heart of why this matters so much. We all know it, right? AI is changing everything about how the world works. For a country like India, having this kind of top-tier infrastructure isn't just a nice-to-have. It's absolutely essential for them to shape their own future in technology. But you know, it's easy to get lost in the tech talk. So how does a giant high-tech hub like this actually help real people on the ground? Because at the end of the day, it's not just about servers and code. It has to be about jobs, skills, and new opportunities. And the government's focus is clearly on that. Minister Vaishnav actually laid out a specific call to action for Google. He urged them to use this hub to retrain and upgrade the skills of the current IT workforce, develop brand new talent, create jobs for young people, and this is a big one, help establish India as a major exporter of AI as a service. So let's just quickly break that down into these 4 key areas. You've got reskilling, which gets the current workforce ready for the future. You've got talent development, which is building the next generation of experts. Then the direct impact on jobs for young people. And finally, the economic boost from a whole new AI services sector. It's a really well-rounded plan. So for our final piece, let's look at how something this massive even happens in the first place. I mean, a project of this size doesn't just appear out of nowhere. It takes a really special kind of partnership between a government with a clear vision and a company ready to take decisive action. And India's finance minister, Nirmala Sitharaman, I think she summed it up perfectly. She talks about the harmony here. Basically, the government creates forward-thinking policies, which then lets them move fast and make big decisions when a major opportunity like this one comes knocking. It's a pretty powerful combination. And that leaves us with this final question. When you have a $15 billion investment, a clear national strategy, and a powerful government-industry partnership all pointing in the same direction, the potential is just immense. The next 5 years could completely redefine India's place on the global AI stage. It really could be the moment that ambition turns into reality. So what do you think is going to be the biggest change we'll see?